guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you the last units available in this building in the center of town of Sosua. Your chance to get a property for a low price. Come on, have a look. So guys, I don't know what you've been waiting for. We had about 20 for sale and only 5 or 6 are left. You know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye.